How to share Facebook post to Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in to your profile, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and you will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on the settings and privacy drop down and then tap on the settings option you see there. Further, tap on the see more in account center option. Now, in this particular interface, go ahead and tap on the connected experiences option you see there, and under the content tab, tap on the sharing across profiles option. Further, go ahead and tap on the Facebook option you see there, and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for your Facebook post toggle button in order to share your Facebook post to Instagram, and with this, your Facebook story, reels, or post will be posted directly to Instagram. You can change this each time you create a story, reel, or post. So this was about how you can share Facebook posts to Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.